detect early, protect fully, connect deeply. I think that connect deeply piece is also so important. I think that this model of seeing patients as a disease process is just not working for anyone. It's not working for the patients, and frankly, it's not working for the providers. So we need to see people as whole people, whole beings. And that's what CoCardio is intending to do. They're understanding who you are, why you have the beliefs that you have about your health. Where do they come from? Let's really get to the root cause of what's going on here. And I think that their model of spending the time with you that you need and getting to really understand what makes you tick is critical to helping you implement some of these teachings so that you can integrate it into your behavior change so that you can benefit and really reconnect to the joy of living in optimal health. So protect fully. What CoCardio is doing is using a technique called enhanced external counter pulsation, or ECP, which is a technique where they put blood pressure cuffs essentially on your calves, on your thighs, and on your butt. And these blood pressure cuffs will inflate as your heart's filling and literally push the blood flow back up to your heart. They'll deflate when your heart is pumping. So it's almost like it's not really a suction effect, but I think you can think of it in that way. When the cuffs deflate, it makes it easier for the heart to pump out. When the cuffs inflate, it's pushing the blood flow back into the heart arteries and down to the heart muscle. And that is promoting better blood flow to your heart muscle. You're born with 3 major heart arteries and some major branches off of that. But if you have a blockage, you can't get the blood flow through the blockage. So in the conventional cardiac world, we use ECP for what we call refractory angina. You've got blockage, we can't stent it, we can't bypass it, and you really are stuck with just medications trying to limit your chest discomfort. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. If it doesn't, we recommend ECP, and what it's doing in those patients is it's promoting what we call collateral blood vessels. If you think of a blocked artery and a blocked branch, there's just not many pathways downstream to that heart muscle. Collaterals are like giving yourself a bypass. There's a collection of multiple new blood vessels that branch off of the blood vessel and redirect that blood flow to that heart muscle, which previously wasn't getting enough blood flow. And now you're developing new pathways of blood flow to that area and improves the blood flow. What CoCardio is doing is they're using it upstream. They're trying to promote collateral formation in patients before the problem happens. And I think it's just fascinating. No one else is doing this right now. It'll be fascinating to get some amazing data from that effort so that we can see if this is something that maybe this conventional world wants to look at as more of a preventative strategy. Connect deeply is the last piece of this. So the third part is connect deeply, and I have been really very honored to be part of these immersions that CoCardio has put together. Dr. Pratiksha Gandhi, myself, and Dr. Mark Kalina have had the opportunity to work with attendees in this very special area of Southern California now for the second time that I've been here. And it's been wonderful to see the magic that happens when people are authentic, when they're transparent and when they're vulnerable with each other. Because I really think that love more is just so important to connecting to who you are and listening deeply to someone else's story, having them mirror to you so that you can better understand your own story. I think that's critically important. And it's just really magical, frankly, in these immersion type settings to see what can happen in a short period of time. It's transformational to people's healing. And it's just also great fun for me. I love being part of it, so I hope I get to continue to do so.